everybody! I'm here today to show you how to eat a Toblerone properly. This will be an easy tutorial, and I'm sick and tired of seeing people eat their Toblerone bars and break them off in the wrong way, so I wanted to make this video. And I don't mean sick and tired in a bad way, I mean it in a loving way. I want you all to do this properly. I love Toblerone bars. They're pretty much my favorite chocolate bar for the most part. Probably tied in first place with another chocolate bar that I won't mention now. But essentially what they are these little triangular shapes, okay? And I'll peel it back a little bit right here. They are these triangular shapes, and a lot of people try and break them to get a nice clean break, and they do it in the wrong way. So what people usually do is they try and break it like this. Right? They snap it like that. Sometimes you get a clean break, but sometimes it breaks in the middle. It's you know, you're taking a chance here. I'm going to give you an almost guaranteed way to break it properly, okay? So instead of pulling away, what you want to do, grab the Toblerone bar from the next triangle right here that is not going to be broken. Okay? Take your other free hand and, excuse me, you want to push into the Toblerone bar as opposed to pulling away from. You want to push into it on the top portion of the mountain right there, of the triangle. So I'm going to get my fingers right here, and what I like to do is I like to use my thumb on the bottom for support, and you want to push into it just like that. Push into it just like that. So I'm going to show you. I pushed into it just like that. I'll break off another one because I was only going to have one, but to be honest with you, I'm pretty hungry, so I'm going to have another one as well. So I'll break off a second one. So check this out. Peel off the wrapper right there. Now, if you take a look right over here, once again, I'll give you a side profile. Thumb is underneath for support. Index is up here. We're pushing into the chocolate bar, into the Toblerone bar, like this. I'm using my index finger to push that way, like this. And you're going to get a nice clean break. Look at that. Perfect break. Now what you could do, you wrap up the remaining nice and tightly in that foil. You place it over here, just like that. And it's ready for eating at a later date. And what you have is a nice, delicious, delicious chocolate bar. Perfectly broken off, as you can see. That's it. It's that simple. That is how to break and eat a Toblerone bar properly. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.